Now that you're ready to go, please add your listing. You go to the menu and select Add a New Product. Then go ahead and add the details of your product by selecting category, the listing title. You want to make sure it's appealing to clients who visit the page, the price, and the delivery method. You could choose shipping and just add the approximate shipping fee or pickup. Then add a description of the unit, such as length, color, style, and then go ahead and select the major intersection closest to you so that the buyers can have that option available to them. You want to go ahead and select your photos. Make sure you choose really nice photos to highlight your work, and then you click Post Listing. And congratulations, your first listing will go live.